Hello, I am Abhishek Verma.
Hello, I am Abhishek Singh.
Hello, I am Harish Bagel. We are third year engineering student from Gwalior Engineering College, Gwalior. Here we are going to present project which name is Industrial Automation and Control based on low power RF module wireless network.
As you know, this project is based on industrial automation. Nowadays we are using some PLC and SCADA system for industrial automation, and this PLC and SCADA system has some problems, like it is not a wireless system, it is wired system, and it's very complex system, and its installation and maintenance charge is very high. So to overcome from these problems, we are presenting our project Industrial Automation and Control based on low power RF module wireless network. Now I am going to show you block diagram and hardware setup of our project. Here you are seeing block diagram of machine and sensing side. Here you can see MSP430G2 launchpad with AIR booster pack from Texas Instruments, and here we are using MSP430G2 553 microcontroller IC from Texas Instruments, and here we are using LM35 as a temperature sensor from Texas Instruments. Here you can see relay driver for controlling our main load and machine. As you can see here, you are seeing MSP430G2 launchpad with AIR booster pack for communicating with other device, and here you are seeing a relay driver where we are controlling a bulb and having a LM35 temperature from Texas Instrumentation to sense the temperature of bulb and switch according to it. Now you are using here we are seeing the block diagram of user control side. Here we are using MSP430 launchpad from Texas Instruments and air booster pack from Texas Instruments. Here we are using MSP430G2553 microcontroller IC from Texas Instruments with a capacitive touchpad from Texas Instruments. Here, as you can see, this is our MSP430G2 launchpad with AIR booster pack and a capacitive touchpad for controlling, like automating and switching to manual system.
Now I'm going to give you a quick demonstration about our project. Here we can see that we are using two launchpad from Texas Instruments, which name is MSP430G2 launchpad, and we are using one pair of AIR booster pack from Texas Instruments and one capacitive touch booster pack from Texas Instruments, and one LM35 temperature sensor IC from Texas Instruments, and one relay driver. We are using one CFL bulb for demonstration purpose. In this project we are using CFL bulb for demonstration as a industrial machine because we cannot show here. Let's talk about our two parts of project. This is our one part of our project, which is called machine and sensing side, and this is our called user and control side. Now I'm going to discuss about our methodology to control industrial machine. First one is auto mode and second one is manual mode. If I'm talking about auto mode, in auto mode our microcontroller take decision on the basis of value of temperature sensor. Now I'm going to show you how does it work in auto mode. Normally I'm click on auto mode, our bulb is glowing. As a industrial machine is working, we can say that. Now I'm set the critical temperature value at 60 degrees centigrade. When temperature value rise above the 60 degree, then bulb is glow, and we can see that temperature value on this screen. Temperature of first motor 24 degrees centigrade. Currently temperature is 24. like room temperature. Now I'm going to give you demonstration how it works. And give an extra heat from candle. Now we can see that our bulb is off and our currently temperature is 57. Now one more time, I'm going to demonstrate one more time. Now we can see that our temperature is 102 degrees centigrade and our bulb is off. When temperature is cooled down to less than 60 degrees, our bulb is re-on. Currently our temperature is just less than 60 degrees and our bulb is glow. Now I'm talking about our manual mode. If I press our manual button, and we can control manually our industrial machine by pressing on or off. And present condition our bulb is glowing. Now I'm going to press off button like that. Our bulb is off. And I'm going to press on button. Our bulb is on. Off. On. Off. On. So this happened because of we are using AIR booster pack as a low power RF module, and we can transmit the data wirelessly in industrial automation. We can conclude that on the basis of demonstration of our project, we can replace the PLC and SCADA system with our project system for industrial automation and control. We have some advantage over the PLC and SCADA system. Number one, in this project we are using wireless system. That means there is no need to connect with wire machine to control system. Second point, our system is very low level complexity. That means this is easy to install in the industry. Third point, our system is very based on low power because we are using low power microcontroller from Texas Instruments, which is MSP 430 series, and low power RF module, which is also from Texas Instruments. And third point is we are using low cost devices. That means it is more cheaper than PLC and SCADA.
And finally, thanks to Texas Instruments for giving us this opportunity and announcing this competition. And thanks to our HOD, Mr. Sanjay Singh Kushba, as a mentor